Root cause analysis, RCA, is a systematic approach used to identify the underlying causes of nonconformities, defects, or process failures. By addressing the root cause instead of just fixing symptoms, organizations can prevent recurring issues and improve quality management systems. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What is root cause analysis, RCA? 2. 5 whys method, simple and effective problem solving. 3. Fishbone diagram, Ishikawa, visualizing root causes. 4. Best practices for conducting effective root cause analysis. By mastering these techniques, auditors and quality professionals can resolve problems at their source and drive continuous improvement. 1. What is root cause analysis, RCA? Root cause analysis, RCA, is the process of identifying the fundamental reason why a problem occurred. It helps organizations eliminate recurring nonconformities, improve efficiency and compliance, reduce costs associated with rework and corrective actions, enhance customer satisfaction by addressing process weaknesses. 2. 5 whys method, simple and effective problem solving. The 5 whys technique is a straightforward method to trace a problem back to its root cause by repeatedly asking why. How to use the 5 whys method. 1. State the problem clearly. 2. Ask, why did this happen, and record the answer. 3. Repeat the question at least 5 times until the true root cause is identified. 4. Develop a corrective action plan to address the root cause. 3. Fishbone diagram, Ishikawa, visualizing root causes. The fishbone diagram, also called the Ishikawa diagram or cause and effect diagram, is a visual tool used to systematically explore potential causes of a problem. How to use a fishbone diagram. 1. Write down the problem at the head of the fishbone. 2. Identify key categories of causes, commonly people, process, equipment, materials, environment, and measurement. 3. Brainstorm possible causes under each category. 4. Analyze and identify the most significant contributing factors. 5. Develop corrective actions to eliminate the root cause. 4. Best practices for conducting effective root cause analysis. Clearly define the problem. Avoid vague descriptions and use measurable data. Engage the right people. Include employees directly involved in the process. Use multiple RCA methods. Combining 5 whys and fishbone diagram gives deeper insights. Verify the root cause. Ensure it is repeatable and consistent across different scenarios. Implement sustainable corrective actions. Focus on long-term solutions, not temporary fixes. Key takeaways. Root cause analysis, RCA, identifies the underlying cause of problems to prevent recurrence. The 5 whys method is a simple way to uncover root causes by asking repeated questions. The fishbone diagram visually maps potential causes across multiple categories. Effective RCA reduces risks, improves quality, and enhances compliance. By applying RCA techniques, organizations can fix problems at their source and achieve continuous improvement. In the next lesson, we'll explore corrective and preventive actions, CAPA, and how to verify their effectiveness.